In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a website to your TikTok profile. So if you want to add a website link in your TikTok bio, then this is a video you don't want to miss because I'm going to show you how you can do that on Android or iOS. So first of all, you want to open the TikTok app on your phone, then go to your own profile page by clicking on me at the bottom right corner. You'll then see your own page where you can click on edit profile, right? So that's right there. Edit profile, you want to click on that, which I'll do right now. Edit profile right there, and then as you can see right there, you'll see website. So right there it says add your website. You want to click on that, and then right there you can put in a website. So you can put in like www. Let's say youtube.com or whatever, like youtube.com/howtodigital, which could be my channel, right? You then want to hit save right there, and there you go. If you then go back to your profile, you'll see that link, that website link in your TikTok bio. And that's pretty much how you can add a website link to your TikTok account. Now, if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a like. I would appreciate that. And let me know in the comments if it works. That would make my day. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Peace out. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.